Brody. Easy. Brody's trying to bully him into chasing him. That's what he's doing.
Yeah.
That's what he does with all. Easy. Hey, easy.
Because he's got a ball in his mouth and
Yeah.
wants to play.
Brody, come. Brody's like, come on and chase me.
Nice to have tug of war.
Tennis ball's like the size of his hips.
Mm-hmm. Brody's trying.
Brody, no chewing on your brother.
Play tug of war with
The legs
that.
aren't fast enough. Good boy, B. Hey. Oh, there he goes.
Marley.
Oh. Jeez, buddy, your little heart is racing. Brody, come over here. Come on. Be easy, Brody.
Get it, Brody. Get it.
Brody's
Get
so
it, Brody.
cute.
Not the dog. The thing it's chewing on. I'll bite. It takes the little cheap shots.
Easy.
Oh!
We just got kicked in the head. Okay, that's enough. You're fine. Shake it off. You're okay. You just got scared, huh? Break time.